Today I'm replacing the blower motor on a 2015 GLK350. First thing you have to do is move the seat back as far as you can get it. And underneath the glove box here, there's 3 torque screws. They're T20 bit is the one you're going to use. There's one here, one right here, and then another one up here. So just on the front edge there. So take those torque screws out, and then you can remove that plastic panel underneath the glove box here. Another thing you're going to have to do is take this piece of carpet. You can just grab it with your hand and just fold this back, so you can so it's easier to snake that panel out. So 3 screws, pull this carpet back, and then you can pull this plastic panel out of here. All right, once that panel is out of the way, you can see your blower motor right here. Disconnect the electrical connector here. There's just a little tab right there. You can see that you just push in with your finger and then pull that straight down. Okay, now that it's unplugged, you can kind of see, how this thing has to be rotated. I think it actually rotates, if you're looking upwards at it, clockwise to be removed. There's a little finger that kind of jumps over a barb that locks it into place. You can see it on this one. You know, looking at the new parts sometimes is good for any job, but you can see the that finger right there jumps over a little ramp and then falls into a groove. So you need to get your hand up there and release that. You know, just pull down on it. It's maybe I can try to show it to you. It's on this back side. There it is. See, it jumps over a little ramp. You have to push on that so that you can rotate the whole housing. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I'm gonna spin it clockwise and then pull down on it. Alright, so that's it. I spun it clockwise, pushed in that barb, and rotated it enough where it came out. These little fingers clock into the whole HVAC assembly and hold it into place. But one thing I forgot to mention, that when you're doing this job up by the glove box side, you'll see that there's a wiring harness that goes to the blower motor resistor. And right there's a little push-in style harness clip that you have to remove, and then unplug the plug that attaches right here. That goes to the blower motor resistor, and then you're able to rotate it fully. So you'll see what I mean when you're under there. It's a little bit tight, but no real fasteners or anything like that. You just push in, you just pull this little tab back, rotate it clockwise, undo those couple little clips, and then this thing just falls right out of there. Put the new one in the same way. Make sure it's all the way seated, and then you hear this thing click into position when you spin it counterclockwise. It jumps over that ramp, and then that's it. So thanks for watching.